What if I told you that becoming a millionaire doesn't require hustle, talent, or even a high income? In fact, the wealthiest people in America aren't always the smartest. They're just the most automated. If you're tired of financial advice that feels like climbing Mount Everest in flip-flops, breathe easy. Because today, I'll reveal a system so simple, so consistent, that once you set it up, it works while you sleep. No, this isn't a scam, and no, you don't need to sell protein shakes to your Aunt Susan. Section 1. The Silent Crisis. Most 20-30-year-olds in America are not on track to retire, ever. 64% of millennials have less than $1,000 saved. The reason? Not laziness, it's decision fatigue. Every day you're asked, should I save? Should I invest? What if I mess it up? The truth is, people don't fail because they're broke. They fail because their system is. And the ones who win, they figured out the cheat code, and it starts with a decision. Section 2. The Millionaire Mind Switch. Meet Alex, 26, graphic designer, average salary. By 35, he was a millionaire. How? He never saw his money. He automated everything. Savings, investments, debt payoff, every single month. While you're manually budgeting and stressing over Starbucks, Alex's system is building his empire on autopilot. So, what exactly did Alex do that changed everything? Let's break down the formula. Act 2. The formula that works while you sleep. Section 3. Pay yourself first. Most people pay bills, buy stuff, then try to save. Millionaires, they do the opposite. Every dollar you earn, a piece goes to future you before anyone else touches it. 20% of your paycheck auto-transfers to a high-yield savings or investment account. Think of it as Netflix for your money. Set it up once, and it just keeps charging forward. But where should that money actually go to grow? Let's talk vehicles. Section 4. Automatic Wealth Vehicles. Roth IRA, 401k, index funds. Set recurring transfers from your bank to your investment platform. Even 5-day matters. If you're waiting to have more before you invest, you'll never start. What are not invested today could cost you 10 in the future. Your future self is begging you, please don't leave me broke. Section 5. Destroy debt automatically. Automate minimum payments and extra debt snowball payments. Use avalanche method, highest interest first, to kill it faster. Debt is the silent wealth killer. Automation is your sword. Now that we're building wealth and eliminating the chains, let's make sure we never sabotage it. Section 6. Foolproof your spending. Create spending buckets. Automate a weekly transfer to a fun account and a needs account. This keeps your wallet on a diet without starving your lifestyle. Discipline feels hard. Automation makes it invisible. Now let's talk about the part no one prepares you for, the mindset sabotage. Act 3. The mindset shift that keeps you rich. Section 7. Set it and trust it. You'll be tempted to stop, change, or skip. Don't. Trust the process. Revisit once a quarter, not daily. Wealth isn't built in excitement, it's built in boredom. If your investments don't put you to sleep, you're doing it wrong. But what if an emergency hits? Section 8. The Automatic Safety Net. Emergency Fund. Auto-transfer 5% of income to a separate savings account. Helps avoid credit card traps. It's not a matter of if life will punch you in the face, but when. And when it does, your automatic plan becomes your armor. Section 9. The hidden threat to your wealth. Even with automation, there's one enemy that silently destroys your money every single year. Inflation. That's why you don't just save, you invest. Show how 1,000 today loses value yearly if not growing. You could be doing everything right and still lose if you ignore this. I'll show you exactly how inflation steals your wealth and what to do about it. In the video linked at the end. Section 10. The 5-minute wealth habit. Step by step. Set auto transfers to savings and investments. Auto pay debts with snowball avalanche. Divide spending buckets weekly. Trust the system. Review monthly for 5 minutes. This isn't about being a money genius. It's about making one powerful choice: to stop managing money and let the system do it for you. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need to grind forever. You need a plan and the courage to click one button and automate your future. If you want to know how to protect this wealth you're building from the biggest invisible threat, check out my next video, How Inflation Steals Your Wealth and What to Do About It. It might be the most important financial video you ever watch.